Carson? Where is Carson? Is she behind the tree? No. Oh, I hear her. Let's see. Is she? Is she behind the curtain? No. What? Where is Carson? Where is she? Let's see if she's under the tent. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here with us today. This is day 6 of Vlogmas, and I have my granddaughter with me on this day, and so I'm just going to take you along. You've already seen us playing hide and seek. It's so much fun to play hide and seek with her, especially when she's seeking you. It's so adorable. But anyway, right now I'm getting ready to make her lunch. I'm fixing her some chicken nuggets, some plums, and green beans. And then I'm going to fix my husband some lunch, who is still in quarantine in the den down in our den. He's working from home, but he's also staying quarantined. He does test negative later on this day, so he is finally able to come out and join the family. But anyway, I'm going to fix him. I just love her. I just love her. But anyway, I'm going to fix him some sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits, and then send him some jelly and oranges as well downstairs for his lunch. So that's what we're working on right now. I'm just going to work on lunch, and then we'll see what else we can get into.
See
I'm not sure if I have mentioned this before, but my daughter works at a coffee shop. It's a coffee place where obviously you can get coffees and teas and little snacks and things like that. But they also have games, like board games and card games and things like that that you can rent and play for the day or however long you're there. Anyway, she was dressed up. She said that today was Christmas trivia. And so that, I don't know what that means. But anyway, she was dressed for the part. And I thought she looked really cute. I'm reading a book to a little bit here, and we come to a certain page, and let me show you. Who are those two?
Grandma and Papa.
Grandma and Papa. She said, as soon as I started reading, that's Grandma and Papa. I suppose I should be happy that I at least have hair and Robbie didn't. I thought we looked pretty good for our age, but apparently not. Okay, so tonight's dinner, I'm going to try my hand at some orange chicken and rice. I'm just going to cook the rice in a skillet on the stove. I'm going to put the nuggets into my air fryer, and then I'm going to mix these three over here for the sauce that I'll put over the chicken. So that's what's for dinner. That orange chicken was really, really good. You got to give it a try. now I'm fixing to make some. I've been talking about making bread for a couple of days now, and I'm finally able to do it. I was going to do it with Carson today, but she wasn't interested in doing that, and we played and did other things. So now I'm getting to the bread. I'm making eggnog bread, and I'm just mixing my butter and my sugar together. I'm going to cream that together, and then I'm going to get my dry ingredients of all-purpose flour. I am using organic all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg. I'm going to get this all mixed together, and then to the butter mixture, I will add eggnog and eggs and vanilla. And then I'm going to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, get it in a pan. It bakes for about an hour, and then I make an eggnog glaze for the top of it. Oh my goodness, y'all, this was so good. It tastes just like Christmas. I will link this recipe down below, and you really need to give it a try. after midnight. I did nothing else after I made the bread. Everybody just kind of relaxed and crashed this evening, so everybody's in bed. I'm fixing to head that way myself, but I wanted to close out the video and say thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Come back tomorrow. I have several things that I need to do tomorrow. I have to get my shots, I have groceries, and then I have to clean the house, and I want to do some wrapping tomorrow as well. So I hope that you guys will come back for that. The days that I have Carson are my favorite, but they also wear me out. So I should have cleaned kitchen tonight, but I didn't, and I'm okay with that. So hope you guys will tune back in tomorrow. Until next time, I'll see y'all later.